Hello guys, good morning. This is Jitendra from techitide.com. So here we are learning about the node.js, and already we have learned about installing and basic operations in node.js. It's time to move towards something new and interesting operations. Let's learn about REPL in node.js. So for this you should be available with the node.js, and let's me for now so take a notepad here. So we will learn REPL in node.js. So just I would like to remind you that REPL is not a tricky term. It's an step-by-step process, like how the task is being executed and compiled, and output is done by the node.js. Fine. So let's open node applications by clicking here, or you can find it easily with Windows all apps. Search for node here, like you will find is this folder here, and click on node.js. So this will open an console application. So this type of console is known as REPL. So in each and every operating system you will find it, and whenever we entered command in this, like 1 plus 3, and it will process this, understand this, and output will be printed here. So this is all about the REPL, guys. Fine. So what does it stand for REPL? So let's learn it. R stands for read, E stands for evaluate, P stands for print, whatever the operations you will be performing here, and L stands for loop. So read, evaluate, print, and loop, these all are the four operations here only. Fine. So how these operations are being performed, let's take an example here, like I am entering 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 here. So this is just reading it, and whenever I am just hit the enter here, after this process, whenever I'm just hitting the enter here, it will find it, and it will convert it to the JavaScript to perform any operations, and it will in memory, and it will execute this. So like if I'm hitting enter here, and it output is 10. So what the operations performed here is, it's read, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and evaluate, like how to perform this in memory, like you will have to 1 and add this with 2, and after the sum is add with this 3 and add with this 4, and the output will be printed here in this segment, and it is. And then what about the loop is all about the pressing Ctrl C twice. Fine. So if I am just hitting the Ctrl C here, I am just out of this loop. So you can't see any clear view of here. So let's take an example of for loop. So this is for loop here, and where let's take again, where I is equal to 5, I should be less than 10, and I plus plus, it should be incremental, and I started the loop here. So it started the reading of this and evaluations. Fine. So like console.log, and let's print the value of I here, and let's close this loop and hit enter. Whenever I'm just hitting the enter, it will print the output of this, and if I am pressing the Ctrl C, it's out of this loop. Or even you can understand by this, like 4, and I am under this loop, and if I just want to exit from it, just press Ctrl C and you will be out of this. So this is all about the exiting loop, or L. So this is all about the REPL. P and L. So next video will be more interesting about the next step of the node.js. I will clear in that video. So thanks for watching me on techitite.com. Keep learning, keep beyond. Thanks.